Hey everybody, we're gonna make a Jamaican coconut curried fried chicken tonight, and you can use skinless breast for this. I just get my chicken breast with skin and bone, and I just cut it out. My dog loves that stuff. But just cut your rib meat out and take your skin off. Okay, we got our skin off, rib meat obviously off, trimmed out all the fat, and let's set this aside. My dog, her good dessert too. Alright, so now what you want to do with your breast, 2 chicken breasts, you're going to take your knife and simply cut this chicken breast in half, just like so. Okay, so you got 4 halves. What you're going to do next, take your chicken and beat it with a meat tenderizer, or this is my herb crusher I use, but you're just going to pat down on it. Get it off. Those meat fibers are broke down. Flip it over. Do it again. And it'll be flattened. And that's what you want. And then we're going to flour them. Okay, so now just want to lightly pepper and salt each side. You want to season your meat. Then you want to take your curry powder of your preference. I like this one, it's a good one. Tastes very good. And sprinkle curry powder on each side of your breast. Can't use too much of this stuff. It is curried coconut chicken, after all. Once you get your chicken like that, you're going to go ahead, take it, put it in just plain flour, drop it on there, coat each side with a little plain flour. Then you want to take that, take your half cup milk, 1 egg, and you want to, oops, wrong woman, but you want to, after you flour it, take it and dunk it in the egg milk. And then here's how you, so after you dunk it in your egg milk wash, you're going to have a cup of sweetened coconut, shredded, a cup of breadcrumbs, and then you want to take a good 2 tablespoons curry powder. Tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, doesn't matter. Then you want to take all that, combine it together. Just like so. And now, take your chicken out of your wash. Cover it with your coconut and your breadcrumbs. That's what it looks like. Shake off the excess, and then we're going to drop them in grease. Okay, so let's drop them in. Very carefully so you don't splash yourself with hot grease. There we go. We're going to cook these for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side. Depending on how thick your chickens are, these are going to take about 5 to 7 minutes on each side on high heat. Okay, we've pulled them out of our pan and let them sit for about 5 minutes on a rack, or if you have paper towels, whatever you prefer, to allow some of the grease to dry out and drain. But let's give it a try. Yummy. Very good. It's very sweet. Like the curry flavor, coconut flavor. It's perfect. We're gonna serve it over rice, but let me know what y'all think. And remember, when you cook with real food, it's always gonna be good food.